Where you all from? Shout out to New York. New York's in the house. You guys are going to be on our vlog. Okay. And we're YouTubers. Shout out to Athena.
Alright, so I'm Captain Randy. What's your name?
Akeem.
Akeem.
And Jen.
And Jen. It's a pleasure to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you as well.
So today we on the famous Marthabury River here. No crocodile, no snakes, no piranha.
Really? Okay.
Alright.
Guys, this is
Rum punch.
everything what it have to offer. Cheers.
Alright, so get to the limestone.
Okay.
Yeah, man. It's like a little cream. Skin is already wet, so you just take your time and keep it on the skin moist.